Okay, so in this video, we're gonna explain federation. Again, this is another concept. Okay, we're on concept area right now. We've been talking about a block, name node, and data node. Now we're gonna talk about another concept. It's called federation. Okay, federation. What's the problem? First of all, in one HDFS storage cluster, we know how it works. The name node manage every single data node. Okay, that means you have, no matter big or small of your cluster, the name node is going to be in charge of everything. Okay, imagine you have a family, and it's a huge family, and you have one household. The households manage everything. The household may be able to manage 7 family members effectively, but how about 200 family members? We have such a big family, the one household probably simply do not have the capability to manage well of the whole thing. Same problem happens in the HDFS cluster. When your HDFS cluster have too many data nodes and lots of files to be managed, suddenly your name node is overloaded in terms of a computing power. Okay, most important resource in here is the memory. Okay, the memory. You can keep adding memory to the name node, but eventually there's a limit. Okay, so how to solve this problem? The problem to be solved by using multiple name nodes. Okay, and go back to the family metaphor. When you have a super big family to manage, like 200 family members, what do? We just divide the 200 family members into like 100 smaller units, smaller families, and each family has 2 members. Okay, and then for those 100 families, smaller families, we create 100 managers, or the name node there. Similar solution here in the HDFS cluster. If your name is overloaded, it seems going to be beaten, then we scale the whole cluster into smaller areas. Physically, your cluster is still all in one piece, but simply create one more name node to say, well, I'm going to use one name node to manage half of my files, and another name node to manage another half of my files. So the federation, the multiple name node was used to manage in the file level, not in the block level. Not so the federation or the multiple name node in here is not about using multiple name nodes to split the storage space, but instead to distribute it, the responsibility for file areas. Okay, as shown in this example, I can use one name node to manage this folder. All the files under this folder will be managed by name node 1, and another folder I use name node 2. Okay. Another question is that, are all the data nodes going to be registered to the 2 name node? Answer is yes. No matter how many name nodes you use in the federation, HDFS federation mechanism, each single name node knows every single data node. Okay, but one name node only knows part of your file collections. If I put 100 files in total into my system, maybe one name node only knows or responsible for 50 of them, another name node responsible for another 50. Okay, that's how that's what is HDFS federation. All right, that's it. Doesn't work.